Welcome back to Grammar Grade 9. This is Unit 1, Lesson 9, and today we're looking at adverbs. If adjectives are the words that describe nouns, adverbs are the words that describe almost everything else: the actions, the qualities, and even the descriptions themselves. They're the words that tell us how, when, where, and how much. Once you can spot an adverb and see the job it's doing, whole sentences suddenly become clearer. Let's dig in. Let's start with what an adverb actually does. An adjective describes a noun, but an adverb modifies three other kinds of words. First, it can modify a verb. In "she sang loudly," the word loudly tells us about the verb sang. It describes the singing. Second, it can modify an adjective. In "truly kind," the word truly sharpens the adjective kind. And third, an adverb can even modify another adverb. In almost never, the word almost modifies the adverb never. In every one of these cases, the adverb is doing a single job, making the meaning more specific. Here's the most useful test of all. Adverbs answer 4 questions. The first is when. In "we left early," the adverb early tells when we left. The second is where. In "Janine waited there," the word there tells where she waited. The third is how. In "the nurse quietly shut the door," quietly tells us how she shut it. And the fourth question is to what degree. In "the room felt completely quiet," completely tells us to what degree it was quiet. When, where, how, to what degree. If a word answers one of those, you're almost certainly looking at an adverb. You've probably noticed that a lot of adverbs end in the letters ly, and that's worth understanding. Many of the adverbs that tell how are built right out of adjectives. Take the adjective quick and add ly, and you get quickly. Soft becomes softly. Brave becomes bravely. And careful becomes carefully. That pattern, adjective plus ly, very often makes an adverb of manner, an adverb that answers how. But here's the warning I want you to carry with you. That ly ending is only a clue, never a guarantee. In a few minutes, I'll show you why you can't just trust the ending. Let's slow down on that fourth question, to what degree, because it's the one students miss most. Degree adverbs tell how much. Words like very, to, quite, almost, barely, and completely. Watch where they land. In completely perfect, the adverb completely is modifying the adjective perfect. It tells us to what degree it was perfect. And in very often, the adverb very is modifying another adverb, often. It tells us to what degree, how often. So degree adverbs are the ones you'll most often see attached to adjectives and to other adverbs, not to verbs. Keep an eye on them. Here's a group most people never think of as adverbs, the negative words. The word not is an adverb, and so is its contraction, that little n''t you see in can't, won't, and didn't. Words like never, nowhere, hardly, barely, and scarcely are all adverbs as well. Look at this sentence. She could hardly see the road. The word hardly is telling you to what degree she could see. Almost not at all. That's the job these words do. They shrink or cancel the meaning of the verb, and doing that is an adverb's work. Now for that warning I promised. You cannot decide whether a word is an adverb just by checking for an ly ending. You have to decide by the job it does. Look at the first row. Early, there, never, very, fast, and hard are all adverbs, and not one of them ends in ly. And now the second row. Friendly, lonely, and lively all end in ly, but they are adjectives, not adverbs. Think about friendly. It tells you what kind of person someone is, so it's describing a noun, which makes it an adjective. So the rule is simple. Don't trust the ending. Always ask what the word is actually doing in the sentence. Let's turn all of that into a quick check you can run on any word. First question. Is the word describing a verb, an adjective, or another adverb? If it is, it can't be an adjective. Adjectives only describe nouns, so it's an adverb. Second question. Does the word answer when, where, how, or how much? If the answer is yes to either question, you're looking at an adverb. And notice what's missing from this check. The ending. The ly never decides it. The job the word does decides it. Let's try a few together. In this first set, I'll give you a short sentence, and you pick out the adverb. Remember, it might not end in ly, so decide by the job the word is doing. Pause the video and choose before I reveal each answer. The dancers moved gracefully. Which word is the adverb? Moved is the verb, the action itself. Gracefully tells us how they moved, so it's describing the verb. The adverb is gracefully. We should leave now. Look carefully. There's no word ending in ly here at all. Should is a helping verb, not a describer. But now tells us when we should leave, and that when is an adverb's job. So the adverb is now, even without an ly ending. The runner is remarkably fast. This one is tricky because fast can be an adverb. But here, fast is describing the runner, so in this sentence, it's an adjective. Remarkably, though, tells us to what degree she is fast. It's modifying that adjective, so the adverb is remarkably. Now let's go one step deeper. In this set, I'll point to one adverb, and you decide what it modifies, a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Read each sentence and think it through before I answer. The word is gently in he gently closed the door. What does gently describe? It tells us how he closed the door, and closed is the action, the verb. So gently is modifying a verb. The word is too in the tea is too hot. What is too describing? It's not describing the tea directly. It's telling us to what degree the tea is hot. Hot is an adjective, so here too is modifying an adjective. The word is very in she spoke very softly. Now, softly is already an adverb. It tells how she spoke. So what is very doing? It's telling us to what degree she spoke softly. That means very is modifying another adverb, softly. Let's gather up what we've learned. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, always making the meaning more specific. The way you spot one is to ask the 4 questions: when, where, how, and to what degree. And don't forget that the negative words like not, never, and hardly are adverbs as well. And the biggest lesson of all, judge a word by the job it does, not by its ending. Early and fast are adverbs, even without an ly, while friendly and lonely wear the ly, but are really adjectives. Keep asking what the word is doing, and adverbs will never fool you. In our next lesson, we'll turn to prepositions. I'll see you there.